To model a potential solution for problem number 2, workload estimation, I will use an outline for a typical International Baccalaureate World Language or Language B class. Our aim is to broaden the language around a given topic or a theme. We work both on receptive and productive language skills, the receptive being reading and listening, and the productive being writing and speaking. We generally start with a stimulus and scaffold the language so that the students are able to see the language modeled, and then they begin to produce the language themselves. So having a list of general objectives for what students should be able to do and react to, we produce our to-do list. So we may choose to color code the to-do list according to the language skill that we're targeting. I'll do so now. So for paper 1, this is about reading. So I'll choose green for reading. For high frequency words, we're trying to get the students to produce those speaking, so I'll label these speaking tasks red. Again, making a list of discussion questions, I'll choose red. A text type and practice paper 2 consists of what the students should be able to write, and I'll label that orange. Articles that students should be able to understand will be green for reading. Listening sources, I'll color blue. Discussion questions, I'll color code as blue as well. Photographs that students would use as conversation starters would also be labeled red for speaking. And then for the grammar structures, many of them, but it would be especially for writing and for speaking. There's a lot of overlap here. The next step is to determine an estimation of the duration of the work on the part of the teachers in finding or creating the materials. And as you can see, I've gone ahead and done so here, just estimating based on previous experience. So for example, choosing a photograph would be relatively quick compared to finding and creating all of the grammar instructional materials, which could be a lot more time consuming. Taking another look at what's on the to-do list, I've added calendar due dates this way. Now I'm going to go ahead and sort these things into what is due first. Now that the work is estimated and put in sequential order by due date, the work can be assigned to the various members, as I've assigned the first to myself. Thank you for listening to the solution to problem number 2, workload estimation.